Future Dan here. We are nearly at 1,000 subscribers. When we do hit 1,000 subscribers, there is a travel giveaway that I will be launching. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Subscribe and enjoy the video. Back to Past Dan. Today is quite an exciting day because we're off to the pool at Bonalba, but also my parents get here today. I'm looking forward to it. Bish bash bosh. We've come here today and it is Bonalba Hotel, or Hotel Bonalba, and you basically pay €10 and you get to use the pool, which has like a cave in. I don't know if you can see over there. It's got a slide over there as well. It is basically just like such a nice environment. It's like cool, the water is cool, which is like actually cooler than the sea, which is perfect. And yeah, and like I said before, like my mum and dad are getting here today, so I'm really excited to see them, and I can't wait. And we're gonna stay until like 5 here. We got here at 12, so it's like 1:30 now, so a lot of chill time. We come for some drinks before we have some food tonight, and we went to a little bar that we usually go to down the Rambler in San Juan, but then we came here and I think it's called Black Sugar, and it's like a jungle. It's great. We've come up onto the roof. You can see it over there. That is mental. It's the next day and we decided to have another beach day. So this morning we actually just chilled, and I was actually a little bit hungover this morning, but I feel alright now. See, pretty wavy in the sea again, and I'm gonna go in. On our way to El Campello for food. It is currently 8:15.
What's happening?
It's been very hot today, as you can tell. I look considerably more red, and I'm burnt as a burnt.
We've come down to the El Campello beach, which is the beach that we come to. Now we are at a bar called...
It doesn't have a name.
No name. Yeah, we're just gonna have a drink because we've had to come down in 2 batches.
So we're here at the restaurant now, just looking at the menu, deciding what I'm going to eat. Look how brown I am. Look how red my nose is. So it's Italian, so it's like pizza, pasta, meat, fish, sausage. So lots to choose from. Joe, what are you thinking?
I might get the real pizza.
The real?
I'll have prawn boona, lamb boona, chicken boona, bag of chips, Russian rice and 9 poppadoms.
Boom. So we made our own pizza. We put bacon, pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, and these spicy things that I can't remember what they're called.
Dried chilies maybe.
Dried chilies maybe, but yeah. Then we got the barbecue pizza as well, just turned up. Fantastic. Just a little bit defeated, but we can take it back with us, can't we? We're gonna get it to take the rest to take away, and we'll have it for breakfast.
Yes we will.
So we got the pizza takeaway and dessert. Imagine buying that. Oh. I'm gonna end this video here, and if you have enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you tomorrow.